Hello and thanks for watching Seagulls in St Ives. I'm creating a background with Unison Pastels, trying to lay down some colour nice and quickly. Here I wanted to get some of the beautiful sea greens and blues. It was one of those wonderful days when a little summer squall comes through and the clouds turn a really moody grey colour, and then as the light comes back you get these wonderful iridescent greens through the sea. And I wanted to try and get that lovely sea colour and, of course, the lovely frothy waves breaking on the shore. And then, lo and behold, some beautiful little seagulls appeared out of nowhere and created just that added little detail which makes a picture all the more quirky for their edition. Everybody loves a seagull, as long as they're not stealing your chips. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you can, please consider a like.